Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Vskills Certificate in POSH, Prevention of Sexual Harassment Career Guide. In this video, we will briefly tell you how you can prepare to get certified in POSH and how Vskills Placement Cell can help you with your job. For complete study guide, you can go to the link shown in the description. So let's get started. Sexual harassment refers to any form of unwelcome sexual behavior, considered offensive, humiliating, or intimidating. One of the most effective ways to build a workplace free from sexual harassment is to make all employees aware of it, and also about the legal implications, so as to identify warning signs and follow proper protocols. The certification is based on Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act, 2013. The concept of sexual harassment goes way down as the history of mankind, yet has received attention and importance at the workplace in recent times. Till 1997, there were no official guidelines to deal with the subject. Thereafter in 2013, the central government has enacted the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition, and Redressal Act, according to which every employer has to protect the female employees at the workplace. The POSH Act, 2013 has been built to protect the women at workplace against sexual harassment by taking corrective measures including workshops, training, legal restriction, punitive measures, disciplinary action, or criminal action. Increased participation of women in work environments has stressed for safe and secure workplaces. Globally, companies need to comply with sexual harassment prevention-related regulations. The certificate has been designed for employee training, required for sexual harassment education. The certification course focuses on building awareness of the various forms of sexual harassment, and how these behaviors can be perceived as unwelcome and unlawful behavior, and what employees can do to prevent sexually suggestive behavior in the workplace. Vskills, being India's largest certification and job provider, gives the following benefits. 1. The certifications will have a government verification tag. 2. Vskills Placement Cell helps you in the job search, and connect you with potential companies. 3. The certification is valid for life. 4. Candidates will get lifelong e-learning access. 5. To clear the exam, you get access to free practice tests. 6. Candidates will get tagged as Vskills Certified on monsterindia.com and on shine.com. The Vskills Placement Cell continuously look for good job opportunities for Vskills certified candidates. We connect you with a potential employer or company and get you a job interview. And then after clearing your interview, you get employed. The certificate is beneficial for every professional. Supervisors, managers, executives, senior management and every employee should undergo the awareness course to identify, respond, report and prevent sexual harassment practice at a workplace. After registering for the certification, you get access to an online LMS and free practice tests. Then you study for the exam, and after you think you have prepared enough, you select a date and time for the exam. Having cleared the exam, you become Vskills certified. And after that, our placement cell connects you with potential companies to get you a job interview. Certification in POSH covers the following topics. 1. Introduction to sexual harassment. 2. Legal framework in India. 3. POSH Act 2013 Introduction. 4. Prevention and Prohibition in POSH Act 2013. 5. Redressal of sexual harassment in POSH Act 2013. 6. Process of monitoring POSH Act 2013. 7. Anti-sexual harassment policy. 8. Communication and training of employees. 9. Miscellaneous. Candidates preparing for the exam should understand the importance of exam resources, as during the exam preparation, it is essential to get all the required study resources. This will provide an advantage to understand the concepts and meaning more accurately. In this preparation guide, we will discuss some of the most important resources to help you prepare well for the exam. 1. Understand what is the objective of the exam, and what is the role of everyone in preventing sexual harassment. Then go through your LMS and study books. We provide candidates an online learning material for a lifetime through our LMS. The online material is regularly updated. Furthermore, e-learning is bundled with hard copy material, which helps candidates to improve and update the learning curve for superior and better opportunities. After understanding and learning the exam topics, it is time for practice tests. That is to say, practice tests are important for better preparation, as by assessing yourself with these tests, you will know about your weak and strong areas. Moreover, you improve your answering skills for getting better results. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.